Hi guys, how's it going? It's Sabi here again with another new video. So in today's video, I will show you that if you want to watch a movie or any YouTube videos from your cell phone on your TV, I mean if you want to watch movies through via Netflix or any streaming apps or YouTube, whatever you are playing on your phone, you want to watch that on your big screen television, how to connect those apps to your television so you can watch whatever you are playing on your phone onto a big screen without connecting any cables from your mobile phone to your TV. Wirelessly you can watch everything you are playing on your mobile phone on your TV. Alright, so as you can see, I come close. As you can see, there's a thing called Chromecast. This is the thing you need to connect to. And what you're gonna do, I'm gonna click on Chromecast. And here is the code, right? But look at the instructions here. So you need to type this URL address, https v4.cast2.tv and enter the code. So this is the code. So all this you have to do it on your phone, and then after you enter the code, you need to press the cast icon on your compatible app to start streaming. So I'll show you how to do that. So right now I'm onto my cell phone, right? So I'm onto my cell phone. So don't use what do you call that, Safari. Don't use Safari, because on my phone on Safari the website address which I just told you, cast2.tv, doesn't work. So I use Chrome. So I will go on to the Chrome so I will go on to the Chrome instead of Safari. I'll use Chrome because that website doesn't work on Safari. So I'll click on Chrome, and here I will type that address. I start typing with cast, and as you can see the URL address pop up, and if it doesn't come up, then you have to type the whole address, which is https:/v4.cast2.tv. So I'll click on that. And then here, that's the code over there. I'll type it here. So the code changes every time you go onto that app, that website. So the code is capital F V B Q D K and small j, I think, or it's capital J. Alright, then I'll click on connect, and it's pairing with the television. So as you have seen, it's connected, and now I'll go on to, let's say I'll go on to Netflix, right, to watch a movie. I'll go on to Netflix, and let's say Ghostbuster Frozen Empire. I want to play this movie on television. So I'll click on that, and then as you can see, it's not connected yet, but all I have to do is press this, and then I have to 104 is my room number. So I will just click in this box, and as you can see, it will come up on the big screen. Did you see this, guys? So the movie is playing on the big screen from your Netflix app on your phone, whether it's iPhone or Android or anyone. So similar way you can be able to watch videos from your YouTube app on your phone, from your phone to big screen. Alright guys, so I hope you found this video really helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the latest videos, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.